So today we are going to show you the different variations of the Arnage Seraph fuel flap clip. There are 3 versions across the range. You have this original plastic clip, the one metal clip with the one little loop or fold back on it, and then there is this version which has the 2 little kinks in it as well. And what we've found is that this version here can be fitted to all the Arnage models and Seraph models, and it's quite a good upgrade. So I'm just going to show you quickly today how to fit this version, which we stock, to our Arnage and the little modification that you need to do. You can see here that I've already removed the original clip from its location, which is just secured here with a little 8mm nut. And what you need to do is remove this retaining fastener here. That just slides off. And the only modification you have to do is just to get a pair of pliers and just squeeze this clip down. And you just want to do it gradually. Don't go too mad first of all. Just squeeze it gradually until you get it to the right position where it will secure on the clip. So I've already done this one here. That has already been squeezed to the correct position. I'm going to slide that back on. There, and then we've got our new clip which goes in there. Small washer and the little 8mm nut. Just tighten that up. And you'll find that it holds the fuel flap up. I'll just close it and we can open it again and the fuel flap stays up. Now you may want to add, or I would recommend adding a little bit of grease just to these 2 metal surfaces here, just so it slides and it's not as noisy. But yeah, this is a good clip to keep in stock because it will cover all your Arnage range. Thank you for watching.